There's more to running a successful shop than just cutting metal and making chips. With BRW, Bruce Ruger Tools, they look at the bigger picture. They look at optimizing workflow, production, assembly processes, and storage systems. So today, we're going to look at the Hive Digital Suite from BRW. Starting with the Hive Digital Suite is Hive Inventory. It's a modular storage system that lets you track all of your tools, your measurement items. It can place orders. You can use a barcode scanner, and you can separate access levels with key fobs or pins. One of the nice things about this system is it's scalable. You can use one unit like this, or you can scale to as many units as you want. With Hive Digital Suite, you can monitor and track your inventory. You can sort by component numbers, descriptions, custom fields, brands, jobs, articles, you name it. It's a very simple, user-friendly system to withdraw, return, fill, and place orders. You can connect this to the internet, to your marketing department, and set min-max orders for your tools to get low when you're running the job. You can set your measurement tools and actually withdraw and return for calibration, so you can keep all your tools up to date. You can sort by pick lists if you're preparing for a new job. All you have to do, choose a pick list and say, oh, I'm going to make this part. Here's all the tools I need, where they're at, and how many we have in stock. The system is incredibly flexible. You can sort anything in the system by brand, machine type, job type, you name it. This is just the beginning with the Hive Digital Suite. Hive Shop Floor is a simple, easy way to monitor the status of your machines from a distance via the internet. All you have to do is look at the screen, see what's in production, and you can look at the status of parts to produce, number of good parts, scrap parts, average cycle times, and any planned dates so you can work on your scheduling as well. Something that's really beneficial is from the tablet. If you're walking through the shop and you need to go down for maintenance, your maintenance team can actually go and add activities to the list. Why are we down? What are we waiting on? Maybe your apps guy's doing a setup. The software, again, is incredibly simple, but also very flexible. You can add scrap parts in real time and execute whatever actions you need to execute. The Hive Shop Floor is a simple addition that makes everybody's lives a lot easier. Hive Quality Control lets you track measurements from your production machines in real time. So if you're working at your machine, you can come over to Hive Quality Control using Hive Connect and its Futuro line of measurement tools to digitally send all of your measurements directly to the network. This lets you track parts, track scrap, manage your adjustments, and ensure that all of your material, all of your parts are traceable. With the Futuro line and Hive Connect, as you take your measurements at your machine, you can send them digitally to Hive Quality Control. This tracks the batch, the part, all the links. It gives you a visual indicator of what your measurement should be, what features on the print, what's critical, what are your tolerances, and a list of all your measurement values. This allows you to track and control all of your parts, your SPC data, nominal values, etc. Whenever you take a measurement with the Futuro line of mics, calipers, or the drop gauge, you have a visual indicator on the screen of exactly where you're measuring. All you have to do, tap the button, it'll send your measurement. If you have tolerance, it tells you where you're at and what it should be. Using the Hive Quality Control system with Hive Connect gives you even more control of your production processes. The final piece of the Hive Digital Suite is Hive Closed Loop. What this does is ties your entire digital suite together and allows you to make real-time offsets on the machine. As you measure a part with Hive Connect, The data gets sent to Hive Quality Control. Then, using Hive Closed Loop, those offsets are made on your machine in real time in production. With each module of the Hive Digital Suite, including Hive Inventory, Hive Shop Floor, Quality Control, Connect, and Closed Loop, you're improving your data collection, your part processes, your SPC reliability, your inventory management, and so much more. Like I said, there's more to running a shop than just making chips, just cutting parts. With Bruce Ruger and the Hive Digital Suite, this can take you to the next level.